Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could control all your devices from anywhere in your home or office without being tethered by cables? The GL.iNet GL-RM10 Comet Pro Remote KVM over Wi-Fi is a game changer, and I'm excited too. This wireless KVM device supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands, giving you a cleaner setup with less cabling, and it's a huge hit with many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, praising its ease of use and flexibility. With the Comet Pro, you get a touchscreen interface that's incredibly intuitive, making it easy to operate and manage important functions like connecting to Wi-Fi networks and enabling cloud services. The 2.22-inch built-in touchscreen has a smooth feel to it, and the interface is so user-friendly that you don't need any technical expertise to navigate it. You can also hear the gentle beep when you make a selection, which is really satisfying. One of the standout features of the Comet Pro is its built-in tailscale, which enables secure and efficient data transfer between devices using WireGuard's encrypted transmission and direct connection features. This is especially useful for home labs, offices, and multiple networking scenarios, where security and speed are paramount. You can also use the Comet Pro for remote disaster recovery, allowing you to perform critical tasks like BIOS access and OS reinstallation from a distance, which is a huge advantage over software-based solutions. The Comet Pro is also compatible with extensions like the ATX board or Fingerbot, which provide the ability to remotely power on or off, or hard reset devices, giving you even more control and flexibility. Whether you're a sysadmin, a home user, or a business owner, the GL.iNet GL-RM10 Comet Pro is an excellent choice, offering a unique combination of wireless convenience, high-resolution video, and robust security features that make it a better option than traditional KVM switches. So if this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.